Hello and welcome. In this video, we will show you how to use BibexPy with Google Colab. Let's get started. First, head over to the BibexPy GitHub repository to explore the source code and documentation. Click on the provided link to open the pre-configured Google Colab notebook. In Colab, run the setup cells to install the necessary dependencies and prepare the environment. Now, upload the file you want to analyze in the Colab interface. Run the analysis cell and select the folder containing the data you want to process. That's it. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to use BibexPy and Google Colab to analyze your data. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or need further guidance, feel free to reach out. Don't forget to explore more features of BibexPy to enhance your bibliometric analysis. Happy researching!